So we discussed one type of condensation polymers, right?
Yes.
Condensation polymers. We discussed polyesters.
Mm-hmm.
They have an ester link, right?
Yeah.
Ester link, which is COO. Okay? So there is another type of condensation polymer called polyamides. Okay?
Okay.
Polyamides. So do you remember the amide group, the amide family? It was like
Yes.
this: CONH2.
NH2.
This is the amide or amide homologous series, right? It's an
Yeah.
amide. So basically, you will see something similar to that, right? You
Yes.
will see something similar to this in the amide link. So let's take an example. Nylon. You know nylon?
Yeah.
Nylon is used in clothes.
Mm-hmm.
Nylon. Nylon is a polyamide. Basically, it has an amide link. So how do we make nylon? How do we manufacture nylon? We have hexane dioic acid plus 1,6 diamino hexane. Do you remember amino group? It was NH2, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we have hexane dioic acid and 1,6 diamino hexane. This has a formula of hexane dioic acid. Dioic, so it has hexane dioic, so it has two acids. Any condensation polymer,
Has two
any
acids.
monomer in any condensation polymer has two functional groups. Okay, to have a link on the left and the link on the right. To have a link
On the left.
on the left
And the link on the right.
and another one on the right. Okay, very good. Hexane dioic acid plus 1,6 diamino hexane. Let me write the formula. COOH. Then we have CH2. We have four of them. And we have COOH. This is 6 carbons. Okay, one. That's total 6 carbons. So it's hexane. Dioic acid has 1, 2. So it's hexane dioic acid plus 1,6 diamino hexane. So 1,6 diamino hexane. It has two aminos in the first and the last. So 1 and H2, then CH2 6, then NH2. Okay.
Okay.
These two combine to give me nylon, which is let's draw it back well. NH2. Oh, let it be more organized. H2N, then CH2 6. Then here's the trick: CONH. Okay, this is the
Amide link.
amide link. Amide link. Then we have the rest of the high hexane dioic acid, which is, write it, CH2. We have four of it. COOH. Also, what else do we have as a product of this reaction? Water. Very important. We have water. Any condensation polymerization, I don't
Has
know
water.
any, but most of, let me see, proteins produce waters. I don't know. So yes, all the condensation polymerization reactions that you will study will produce what? Water. Okay. This is called the amide link. Sorry, but you have to memorize these. You have to take care of these, memorize them. Okay? So let's try to make a general structure for the polymer, for the two monomers. It looks like this. Okay? Let me see. We have here something, another C. Then here we have
And
N. We have another thing. Let it be a love, for example. And N. Where another That's H. That's H. That's double bond O. Double bond O. I just drew this as a love, as a heart, to know that this one is different than this one. Okay.
Okay.
This is the rest of the carbon chain of the compound that we don't care about. We just care about this shape. Okay?
Okay.
This is equal to, I can draw it like that. So this is repeated. This is
Repeated.
repeated. This is the repeat unit of nylon. So take care that condensation polymers has the condensation polymers has monomers looking like that. A, B, A, B, A, B. Unlike addition
Which
polymers.
was A.
It has A. Okay. So when nylon is made very much like PET, what's the difference between nylon and PET? The nylon has what? Has an amide link.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Nylon
Has an amide link.
has an amide
Link.
link or peptide. Amide or peptide link. It's called a polyamide. However, PET is called what?
An ester link.
Has an ester link. It's called polyester. Polyester. Okay?
Okay.
We said that PET is produced as metal, then it's melted down and passed through tiny holes and made as fabric, right? So in the same way, nylon is formed as solid, then it's melted and forced into through small holes. And long filaments are cooled. These filaments are used as fabric. So basically, solid nylon melted and passed through tiny holes. These are nylon filaments. These are used in what? To make clothes. Okay, make ropes, make tennis, and
So not clothes.
well, it has a lot of uses. Not just one, not just clothes, but nylon is used in very different things. Okay, we finished the second type of condensation polymers, and we will go to the final thing, final topic in polymers, which in the condensation polymers, which is proteins. So proteins, proteins?
Yes.
Proteins is actually a condensation polymer. Proteins in our bodies, in meat, in chicken, is a condensation polymer. It's made from amino acids. Okay? Amino acids group together and form proteins. Anyways, the structure of proteins is complicated, but I'll discuss it in the next video, inshallah. So see you in the next video.